If you're looking for a safe and easy way to monitor your tire temperature and pressure while you're driving around, whether it's an RV or your car, whatever it may be, I'm going to tell you about this particular system. This was actually sent to me so that I could create a helpful video for you to give you an insider's look so you can make an informed purchase decision. So when it arrives, it's very, very simple. Just simply take off the plastic and then you go ahead and you want to charge it up. It does have a solar charger panel that you can use when driving around, so it can self-charge. I really recommend using the owner's manual to learn all the different parts of this, but basically it's going to show you your 4 tires, and it's also going to show you the temperature of each of those tires and the pressure. It also comes with anti-theft nuts that you can use. I chose not to use that when setting it up. So the first thing you do is you take off the valve, and then you put on the one that comes with the system. Now each one, this one R stands for rear. If it has an F, it stands for front, so rear left. It does come with a little wrench so that you can put it on properly. And again, also, if you're concerned about theft, use the anti-theft bolts. So we did this for each of the tires. It was very, very simple. Once that was completed, there is double-sided tape to secure on the back of the reader. So we just went ahead and then you want to put it on a flat part of your dashboard. So here it is on our dashboard, and you can see it's getting lots of sun. And here it is reading our tire pressure. I actually didn't realize that my front right one was actually a little overinflated. So right now it's showing the temperature in the mid to upper 80s for each of the tires. It was a really hot summer day, and as we were driving around later that day, it actually went up to 104 degrees for our tires. So it does have a bunch of different alarms that will sound, so that's why I do recommend to read the manual so that you know when it alerts you, you know exactly what to do. Very simple to put together, and I do hope that you found this video helpful.